Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key cylinder of a Kwikset lock, model 910. So first you'll need to remove this clip here. So you'll remove this, kind of have to lift up on it and then pull. This will release the key cylinder, and you can insert your new key cylinder here by placing it back in through the front, and then reattaching the clip here like so. And you'll need to press this pretty hard, so you'll have to press it against a surface so you don't hurt your fingers. Let's see. There we go. So now it's secure.